Thank you for watching this Aaxsys video on how to set up your apartment communities in Aaxsys. So in Aaxsys, all apartments that you set up for your business will be attached to an apartment community. So I'm going to show you how to set up a community and some important information about that. So in order to add a new community, and by the way, you can change that name to a building or whatever nomenclature you use. For this demonstration, we're going to call it a community. So I'm going ahead and click on Add a New Community. And you want to keep your community codes very short. And the reason that is because you're going to, when you set up your apartments, you're going to combine the community code with the apartment code. So you want to keep it kind of short. So for instance, if you wanted to have a community called Foster Bay, you would just make it something simple like FB. So that's what we'll do. And we'll go ahead and name it. Now the number of units is not required. It's mostly informational. So if you had that information, that's good to have there. Otherwise, it's not necessary. Now actually, this is all you need to, if I went down here and I pressed Add Community, this right here, just this code and this name is really all you need to be able to successfully add a community. But there's much more information here, so you can put the leasing person's name. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish filling this out. We'll give it an address, and we'll fill out all the information here. Okay, now the contact name, this could be your leasing person's name. Now, as we all know, those people change quite a bit, so you can edit this and change out the names, but we'll go ahead and put a name in here for now. And if the address is different for the leasing office, you can put that in here, but for the purposes of demonstration, I'll just keep it the same. And we'll put in a phone number and the email address would go here. Okay, so let's go ahead and add the community. Great, now we've got it added. So if you want to see a list then of your apartment communities, you would click on View and Edit Community Information. I'll do that. You can sort if you forget the code or you forget what it was and you had the address, you can sort by putting that information here. I'm just going to click Proceed. So now here is a list of our communities. So we've got two. So as I said, if you wanted to change the leasing agent's contact information, you can come in here and edit it and change it. There's also notes that you can keep, information about the lease or information about the units, lockbox instructions, anything like that you can keep right here in Aaxsys. Once you've created it, you can then copy this community to a business vendor. If you use the payable portion in Aaxsys, it's very handy to be able to create a vendor right from here, and then you'll be able to send checks every month or ACH transfers to your community. All right, that's it for now. Thank you very much for watching this video.